guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole. So for today's video, we're gonna do some cleaning. So I need to mowing or cut the grass here. So we will do. We have the cutting machine.
Come and fly away with me.
We are Missy. Look at that. Itanong pa na siya. Tapos torang akong bulad at gisudog karton. Gamay lang kaayo pero kuan. Loyo ni sa balay guys. So magsugod na ta no. Magsugod na ta sa ato ang buluhaton. So where we put the kuan the camera. I think I will get my tripod. I don't know where it is. So we're gonna move this and this and this, and then we put here. It's very, very, very hot. Very hot, guys. And I need to continue later. I cannot do yoga for now because it's not really good for yoga. It's 3 p.m. but the sun is like biting me. So see you in a bit, guys.
A few moments later.
Guys, it's 10 p.m. and I'm already half bath to go to sleep, and I'm watching movie now for preparing my sleep. Yeah. This afternoon was really very, very, very warm weather. I did not be able to do my yoga that I planned to do. Yeah, but I cut the grass and I did also dried fish. Akong gihuman ang pagbulad sa kuan perti na nung gahia, perti nang ugaha. Akong balot ka murag medyo lahi bayag kuan bitaw ka ng baho. Sa ato okay lang pero sa ila dili baya. So I'm going to sleep soon. I would like to say thank you to my channel members, and yeah, to those who wants to become my channel member, just click the join button there to support. And yeah, thank you very much to my supporter, to all of my supporter. Thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you're gonna watch more of my videos, and you can comment down below what videos you want me to do. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.